Hi everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. Homemade egg tofu is always the best, fresh and preservative-free. Stir fry some chopped scallops and shrimps on top, making it even more tasteful and attractive. Let's get started. The main ingredients are eggs and soy milk. The egg to the soy milk ratio is 1 part egg to 1.5 part soy milk. Beat the eggs. Heat the soy milk to about 180 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature is about right when bubbles begin to form around the pot. Slowly whisk the hot liquid into the egg so it won't curdle up. The yolk and white are now completely combined and half cooked. This makes it less likely to form small holes when steamed. Pour the mixture through a strainer into another bowl to remove any lumps, bubbles, or thick bits. Bring a pot of water to boil before preparing the egg mixture, so the egg mixture does not cool down while waiting for the water to heat up. Turn the heat down to the point where only a few small bubbles form around the lids of the steaming rack. Cover it with a plate to prevent vapor drops ruining the surface. Steam 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the thickness of the egg mixture. It's done when you gently wiggle it and there's no jiggling in the center. We will now prepare a seafood topping. Dice up 2 asparagus, cut 2 green onions, dice up 6 peeled and deveined shrimps, 2 large scallops. Marinate the scallops and shrimps with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Add in the chopped scallops and shrimp. Stir fry 30 seconds. Add the asparagus. Cook until the shrimp turn pink and the scallops turn white. This takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 3 tablespoons of water. Mix 1 teaspoon of cornstarch to 3 teaspoons of water. Add in the slurry a little bit at a time until the sauce reaches your preferred thickness. Turn off the heat and add the green onions. Put it on top of the egg tofu and it's ready to serve. If making the egg tofu for pan or deep frying, use less soy milk in a ratio of 1 to 1.4. The steps are the same, but use a rectangular or square container to form an even thickness. No need to line up your container with plastic wrap or parchment paper, and glass containers are the best choice. You will be surprised how easy it can be unmolded with a plastic sheets or cookie cutters. All you have to do is refrigerate overnight to make it firmer. I used a plastic folder to cut out a sheet that fits the size of my container. Run a knife along the sides. You would need 2 plastic sheets, one makes a cut and the other one pushed underneath it from the side. Then fold the egg tofu onto the first sheets, cut into small pieces. You can also use cookie cutters. Just press a cookie cutter into the egg tofu and slide it out. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.